All right, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie here. Just got a package in. Well, not just. A couple days ago. Yet to open them. It is the 5-star Magic Clips cordless, but it is the metal edition. I do use Magic Clips. I'm all cordless clipper wise anyway. So I do use the Magic Clips cordless and the Wahl seniors. But I did want to get these to see if there was too much of a difference. As you can see, I got the stagger tooth blade. Pretty much everything is legit. Oh, excuse me. Not legit, but everything is pretty much the same. It's just different casing. As you can see, it comes with a few of your guards. What's that, the half guard, 1 guard, 1.5. So let's go ahead and open these up. All right. Toss that out the way. Wahl Clipper Corporation, 100 years of tradition, 1919. Of course, you know these are based off the Wahl seniors, which they have in the 1919 all metal casing, but they decided to put it on the Magic Clips. So let's go ahead and take this tape off down here. I do like this box. You see, nice reflection. You see my Gold's Gym shirt. That's nice. I do like that. A little bit heavier, of course. Got the metal casing. Same blade, so nothing changed there. Of course, there is a different blade than on the seniors, which you can't tell by this one because this is a Filthy Blends modification, but you know the different blade that comes on the Magic Clip versus the senior. About the same power. That's the only problem that I do have with the Magic Clips. I think the seniors do have a little bit more power, a little bit louder. But I don't know. I like the Magic Clips. I do. About the same. Either way, those are the actual clipper out of the box. Let's see what else we have in the box here. Of course, you get your charger block. Like I said, you get the guards, the premium guards. You get the half guard, 1 guard, 1.5, which I already have a set of these, so these are good to have backup. We toss them over there. You get your comb, of course, they come in there, the fade comb. You get you some oil for the clippers. And of course, the casing, which should have been on there, but I guess it wouldn't have looked as good in the, the plastic casing, the plastic, box with that on there. So I get it. And of course you get your pamphlets. All right, so this is the clipper, as you can see. And when it comes to the actual workhorse, the clipper, I am all Wahl. Trimmer wise, I do Andes. But so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, show you the difference. That's one reason I love these. I love the Wahls because of that. Great finger placement. Everything looks good. Thing is smooth. One thing about these, there are gonna be smudges everywhere. I already know that. I guess I won't trip about it. Can't trip about it. We'll see how they actually work. I'm pretty sure they're pretty much the same. You see they switched the lever, and the switch made it black. Go with the tradition. Same blade. I will be changing this blade out to the senior blade that comes on the senior. But I mean, since I have 2 of these that's in working order. So I have 2 seniors that I already use. One of them gets a little closer, especially when I'm trying to get out of ball line. So I do have two of these, you know, and also I just like to try. I like to buy clippers. This is my craft. I like to buy different tools and see, you know, how they work. What's the difference? Of course, I'm pretty sure there won't be too big of a difference between the 1919 version and the regular maroon version, but we will see. So I will do a quick review on these. We will be back with the review of the 1919 Wahl Magic Clips. I do like that casing. It's a little bit heavier, not too much, but you can feel it. Especially since I use these so much, I can definitely feel the weight difference. Not bad though, not bad at all. So we'll do a few cuts with these and we will be back with a review of the 1919 Wahl Magic Clips. Let's see how they work.
Location 4720 Western Avenue. New spot, same folks, same diamond attitude. 522-7009. Tuesday through Friday, we open up at 9. Monday 1 to 6 and Saturday 8 to 5. Diamond cuts plus 1. We see you when you arrive. 522-7009.
Yo, now time for the moment, the truth with the Wahl 1919 Magic Clips. Are they worth the buy? They're Wahl, so yes. They're the Magic Clips, so no. If you was going for the look of the 1919, I would rather spend the money on the 1919 seniors because you get more power in them. And it's, you know, more of the original design of the clipper. The casing on the Magic Clip, it's nice, but it's not worth that extra to buy. And I don't know if I thought they was going to add more because they put it in this casing or what I was expecting. But I kind of expected them, I guess, to be the same because they are just the Magic Clips. And that's what they are. So if you are using the Magic Clips, it's not necessarily worth it to buy another pair of the Wahl Magic Clips in the sense of spending more. If you want them, then that's cool. That's why I got them. I like them. And they'll be put up for backup. Maybe put them in a case, set them up somewhere. But for backup, for sure, for me. But I already use Magic Clips. Like I said in the beginning, I'm Magic Clipped out. And I actually have one more on the way of the Magic Clips. I just like to have backup. And during this pandemic, you've seen a shortage of clippers everywhere. So when I find them, I'm going to find them. I'm going to get them. I also have a few T outliners on the way just so I'm backed up and ready for whatever comes my way. So long story less long. Yes and no. Yes, if you like Wahl, you just want another pair of clippers. No, if you're looking to save a few dollars. When everything get back to normal, I guess it'd just be more worth it just to get the regular Magic Clips, same power, different design, the original design of the Magic Clips. So yeah, just go with them. When I was first buying the Cordless Magic Clips, they was $85. I know now during this time everything has went up. So, you know, I found a pair of Magic Clips for $139. So I guess in that case, you're not saving money if you can't get them for the original price. But if you find them for that original price of $85, less than $100, I say get those. I mean, I don't think you need to spend the extra on the casing. For me, after a week of using them, they cool, they slippery for me. Not that the Magic Clips are gripped a certain way but to me, these are more slick than these. So for my personal use, I will be sticking with the regular ones. Like I said, I'll have these for backup. Nothing wrong with having a graveyard or backup of clippers. You always need those. You never know what may happen. So that's what I will be doing. So that's my review on the Magic Clips 1919 edition, limited edition. Yes and no. Which pretty much everything will be a yes or no. It just honestly depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for power, if you're looking for just a new cordless trimmer or clipper, or you're looking to save some money, because you can save some money and also buy some pretty good clippers, some pretty good trimmers. So you're looking to save money? No. You're looking to just have them because they say limited edition, so we'll see how limited they are. If you're going to buy them so you can have the limited edition of the Magic Clips, I say get them. But they're pretty good. After a week of using them, they're the Magic Clips. And I love Wahl clippers, so I can't go wrong with Wahl clippers, in my opinion. That's my opinion. I don't know what everybody else use. I like Wahl. So that's me, the Barbie. I like the shirt. Yeah. Yes or no? Cuss by Reggie. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. If you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do. Leave a thumbs up. We're trying to get this thing off the ground. We're trying to get this thing popping. More videos on the way. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. More on the way. Cuss by Reggie.